Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account whose search history you want removed. This ensures you delete the right records. Once signed in, go straight to My Activity or Data and Personalization in Settings to access search logs. Make sure you also review which devices are synced, because searches from other devices can repopulate history. Take these initial steps now so you can act on the correct account and prevent accidental deletion of the wrong profile. Now you delete the records. Use Delete Activity by and pick All Time or set a custom range for precision. Selecting Search narrows the action to search queries. Confirm the deletion prompts and wait for Google to process removal. This eliminates server-side entries. Also go through voice and audio and image search sections and clear device-specific activity to catch everything. Once done, pause to check that no residual items appear in the timeline and that synced devices reflect the change. To make removal durable, enable auto-delete with the shortest window or disable web and app activity entirely so new searches aren't retained. Then clear local browser cache and cookies and sign out of Google on shared devices to prevent local resync. If history reappears, check other signed-in devices and any third-party apps that use your Google account. They can reintroduce queries. If that happens, disconnect or revoke app access. Then repeat the deletion step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.